Ayo, 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 what's up? So let's do this, man. Let's do this. So yeah, send in your GM, send in your GM. I want to see your GM, guys. Send in your GM wherever you're watching from. Let's do this. Hope the audio is clear, the video is clear. Yeah, let's do this. Send in your GM. Yo, 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 send in your GM, guys. Yo, guys, GM. Robinson, I greet you specially. So I'm telling other people that were here. So yo, guys, you guys need to tell others that we're active. Oh yeah. So tell everybody we're active. We're active. So GM retweets. Let me tell them on Twitter that we're active. See me, I'm doing live stream from anywhere. I'm live streaming from anywhere just to be able to serve the community. Easy. So I want us to do something real quick here. Yeah. So we're diving into the chat ASAP. The market is volatile now. I love the volatility of the market. Whenever the market is volatile, there's money to be made. Okay. Mm. So I want us to look for that money together. The first thing we should be looking at is USDT.D. Okay. USDT.D. Yeah, greetings. WhatsApp? Greetings. So the first thing we should be looking at is USDT.D. And I'm expecting this move from USDT.D. I'm just gonna show this real quick, and you know what? I'm gonna just put a move here. I'm expecting from USDT.D. And contrary to popular opinion, I think that Bitcoin is gonna pump, but it depends on how this candle closes, and I'm gonna show you how. Okay. Contrary to popular opinion, I think Bitcoin is gonna pump. I've been saying beer, but then I've been saying sell. We've been shorting, but then we're gonna be looking at the charts together, okay? And looking at the charts together um, is gonna help us to make informed decision. I love making informed decision, no matter what I feel. I don't care about people saying, he was saying sell, but the market pumped. I don't care about that. So I'm not. It's not going to make me to be hell bent on my opinion about sales. No, what I care about is to follow the trend. That is why I shamelessly, that is why I shamelessly change bias at any given time or point in time. I shamelessly change bias at any point in time. I shamelessly change bias. I don't care if people will be like, "Oh, this guy, you're always changing bias." I don't care. I follow the trend. Paul Posse King said, "My boss don't start and I didn't get notification. Don't mind this YouTube." And this is what I'm expecting. I, yeah, good afternoon, Yusuf. Good afternoon. So first of all, on USDT.D, we have something forming. It's clear on a daily time frame. Yeah, which I'm going to show you guys. On a daily time frame, we have top one, top two, top three. We have all agreed that top one, top two, top little bit, okay. But let's go back to the 4 hours because this particular analysis is going to be based on the 4 hours time frame. So I'm going to do an analysis inside of this one, okay. We already have a bigger one. For those of you that have been following me and my analysis about USDT.D for a while, you already know what I'm talking about. So for now, I'm going to put this, okay. I'm going to put this. So this is why I said, contrary to popular opinion, BTC is going to pump, okay. Now I'm going to put this. Now what I just put there is a resistance. This resistance is, there's a pattern we call head and shoulder pattern, okay. So that's what I marked out there, is a resistance from the shoulder one. Head is formed, shoulder one has been formed. We're now waiting for shoulder two, okay. So it is called head and shoulder pattern. Somebody say can't hear you. Can you hear me now? Yusuf said, please sir, can you be my mentor in this space? Hey, easy, easy. So um wait, I'm trying to announce to the community. Please, wherever you're watching from, retweet, repost, okay? So I'm trying to tell the community we are active. I'm telling them we are bullish now. Mhm. Because some people, they will not join, then they will regret. Okay, let me continue. So, mm, so now this is USDT.D, okay, and this USDT.D, um, we have we have it at a resistance right now. It has broken the resistance. So let me check. On a 2 hours time frame, it has officially broken structure on a 2 hours time frame. So on the 2 hours time frame, it is safe to say that USDT.D has broken structure from a bullish momentum down to a bearish momentum. Okay. Um, so if I want to place my Fibonacci, my super Fibonacci from here to here, This is what USDT.D is giving me on a. So USDT.D is telling me to pick my entry at the red resistance there. Okay, the red resistance. So let me take this off now. This is what I am expecting from USDT.D. It's gonna happen, and when it happens, we have had the closure on 2 hours, so definitely this is gonna play out like this. Another shoulder. So we have, when we have head, we have shoulder. When we have the next shoulder and the hand stretches, what happened to the hand? It dumps. It dumps. If you are following, type comment it dumps. Comment it dumps. It dumps. I need to be sure everybody's following. You all know how we do this here. So I say it dumps. It dumps. It dumps. Comment it dumps. I need to be sure you all are following. Comment it dumps. So when good Animal King, thank you for the comment. I just saw your comment. It dumps, yeah. So this is what we should be expecting right now from USDT.D. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of comments. It dumps, it dumps. Diamond, you're always active. Welcome again. So this is what I'm expecting from USDT.D. Everybody's very active today. I can see a lot of comments here. Everybody's so active. So yeah, that's what's up. It dumps, right? So if USDT.D is dumping, the market is pumping. We had a buy entry at $83,000. For those of you that have been always following our live stream and all that, you know that we have our entry at $83,000, right? But right now, from what USDT.D is showing us, I'm going to show you exactly what is going to happen on BTC on a 4 hours time frame. So for now, see our entry on USDT.D. We're expecting this move. Yeah, you can see the analysis I did inside this bigger analysis. So this is the move we're expecting. So what then should we be expecting from BTC? I think everybody want to know what BTC is going to do. If you want to know what BTC is going to do next, yeah, this it dumps. You guys are commenting. I'm seeing your comments. Yo, thank you so much, guys. Like, the comment section is amazing. I'm seeing your comments, and it's really encouraging. At least everybody's following. But please, yeah. Um, when I say it dumps, right? I am talking about. Hey, Shurike Shinobi, Chineke. That's my guy from. He seemed that inspired me to open Twitch. Pokey in the chat. Pokey. Hey, my God, though. Hey, God, though. Very soon, my Twitch will begin hot like Kataife own. I don't know where I go bring. We go make my Twitch hot. So, anyways, so when I'm saying it dumps, right? I'm talking about USDT.D so that you don't mistake it for BTC dumping. No, 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 no. We are done with that right now. BTC dumps, we are done selling. And I'm going to show you how the structure of BTC just got broken. Right? Yesterday there was a fake out. A lot of people got wrecked. We won yesterday. By the way, congratulations to all of you that won yesterday. Today we're going to win again, okay? We're going to win again. So let's move to BTC. So I've shown you what USDT.D is going to do. The reason why USDT.D is going to pump from this point is because of we have a little support here. So let us check how is going to happen on the BTC. Okay, then obviously when we get what's going to happen on BTC, obviously we obvi- when we get what's going to happen on BTC, obviously we now know that we know the effects is going to cause on other projects, right? So let's check BTC right now. So BTC USDT dot P. Let's use bluffing charts. So on this chart here, BTC just did something, and BTC needs to stay above this, which I believe is going to stay above it. BTC needs to stay above this. So for BTC to stay above this, USDT.D has to stay below its own resistance. So this is BTC's support. Okay, so BTC needs to stay above this green support like this. Let me just mark out this whole support area. BTC needs to stay above this support area. So let me put this right now. Let's see what's going to happen. And BTC is going to stay. There's a high, in fact, structure is breaking officially, right? So there's a high tendency BTC is going to stay above that. Okay, now BTC staying above this. Perfecto. Please, if you are following, which one be bring? Okay, bring Habi. Okay, maybe one of these days it will happen. Animal King said my phone is out of battery. Oh, WF David say bring Michael. Amen. One day it shall happen. So I think streaming is better in the morning, because in the morning time, by this time we should have about 300 people here, but we just have 77 people here. Okay, so I'll keep doing morning streams, 300 people morning streams and more. Anyways, it keeps going up, so let's see how many we're going to be today. Anyways, today is 78 of you all here. Thank you for joining. Let's keep going. So BTC needs to stay above this, okay, above this place. So let us set an entry for BTC. This entry will be very, very valid, right? This entry will be valid in the next 1 hour 36 minutes if BTC keeps above this place. Okay, so if BTC keeps above here, this entry will be extremely valid. So let's trade BTC like this. So if this closes, you have to wait for 1 hour 30 minutes for it to close. 1 hour 36 minutes for it to close. I don't know if we are going to be streaming till that time, but we just have to be patient. Okay, first of all, BTC has formed bottom 1, bottom 2, breakout. So this breakout has to close, then we'll get a retest. Let me check 2 hours time frame. Oh, 2 hours time frame is actually amazing. Though I don't like trading on 2 hours, I love trading on 4 hours, but 2 hours time frame, don't worry, we're very bullish. 2 hours time frame has closed, it has broken out, it has closed. You can see it, bottom 1, bottom 2, breakout, it has broken out, it is retesting. But this particular retest, conservatively, so we're going to have 2 entries for BTC now. We're going to have 2 entries for BTC, so I'm no longer scared. It has confirmation on 2 hours. We're going to have 2 entries for BTC. If you are ready, comment I am ready. Let me be sure you are with me. So if you are ready, comment I am ready. Once I see comments, we'll continue going. So if you are ready, if you are active and you are ready, comment I am ready. Let the comments come in. Start coming, I mean say. Active. I'm seeing the comments. Yeah, very ready. I am ready, Babami. Okay, let's go. So we're going to have 2 entries. So see what somebody's going to do. You know how we do it now. So once I'm calling the entries out, I'm going to call for conservative, which is the first entry I'm going to call for. Then I'm going to call for aggressive. Okay, so aggressive and conservative, very safe, right? Just that you all know I'm already used to using my Fibonacci for entry, right? You already know that. So but aggressive, conservative, don't worry. Inshallah, we're going to win the both of them. Okay, so let us go for so this is conservative. So for conservative, right, conservative, I'm expecting a touch here and a movement here. So for conservative, I shared okay, so entry for conservative 87,000 to 87,000. Okay, so let me call the signal now. Long BTC. So somebody should be typing this out. Long BTC entry $87,077. So $87,077. So $87,077. Leverage 10x. Somebody should be typing it out. So when you post it, type in the comment, we'll move to the next one. Leverage 10x. Stop loss 84,400. Stop loss 84,400. Let me delete this so that they will not see this thing. So stop loss 84,400. Take profit 91,890. Take profit 91,890. So let me see. Did anybody get it? Post it. Just type all of them in one place, post it so I can pin it. So who got the signal? If you got the signal, type all of them at once. Let me let me pin it here, okay? Okay. I think everybody. So if you got the signal, just comment I got it. So that I want to be sure everybody got the signal. Then let's move over to the next one. So if you got the signal, just comment I got it, okay? Let's move over to the next one. So did you get the signal? If you got the signal, comment I got it. Did you get it? Did you get it? Meanwhile, the soul signal I dropped a soul cell signal. That soul signal I dropped, please, and please, and please, and please do not take that trade. Thank you very much. Somebody just thank you so much, my brother. I just pinned it. I just pinned the signal right now. Entry 877 10x stop loss. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I just pinned it, okay? So for those of you that didn't get it, I just pinned it right now. So we're we're going to move over to the yeah, I'm seeing you. I got it comment. Yeah, okay. We got 100 people in here already. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm going to be doing more streaming. I'm gonna be doing more streaming in the morning, right? I just decided to do this now because of how volatile the market is. But I'm gonna be doing more streams in the morning because morning time are usually better and I think more convenient. So which time of the day do you prefer me doing streams? Let me see your comments. Which time of the day do you prefer me doing streams? What time of the day do you prefer me doing streams? Yeah, okay, let me pin this one. Conservative. So this one is more, it's more it's more detailed, right? Thank you so much, Diamond Prince. Thank you, Diamond Prince. So what time of the day do you prefer I do my streams? Do you prefer I do it in the morning or in the night or in the afternoon like this? Somebody said by 11 a.m. I'm a morning person. If I'm doing streams, I always wake up so early. So maybe 6 a.m. I've started, and at 6 a.m. we do get like 300 and something people, sometimes 400. What then 600? If I'm doing a collaborative stream, sometimes 2,000, 3,000. 8 a.m. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think yeah. If almost everybody say morning is cool, and my streams are usually um they're usually spontaneous and unplanned. I just come up. I'll just be like, yo guys, let's do this. Okay, so let's move over to so I think we'll be doing more of morning. Okay, it's just that I travel to another city, so because of I'm in another city at the moment, my my but don't worry, I'm a head back home soon, so it's not gonna be like that no more. Senator Lucky said 7 a.m. Okay, cool. All right, let's go to the aggressive part now. Okay, let's get to the aggressive side. We must win, inshallah. If you believe we must win, comment we must win. If you believe we're gonna win, comment we must win. So for conservative traders, we're just going to be using purely the neckline. So what we're doing here is a purely so double bottom pattern, but then it's almost a 1:1 ratio to the what ratio though. So double bottom pattern, and then this is it. So we're almost at entry for conservative. I'm going to even take this conservative trade now. I'm going to take it right now. So while we're talking, I'm going to be taking mine. I don't want to miss any entry. Meanwhile, for those of you that don't have capital, I think you should start considering. Yes, we must win. We must win, guys. We must. I love the comments, man. We must win. So for those of you that don't have much capital, I think you should start considering buying a prop firm account on crypto. Some of you don't know we have a prop firm account on crypto. So find a way to communicate to me or rather contact me. You can contact me on any social platform. And you can also check my YouTube. On YouTube, I have a video on how to use your prop W or get a prop W account. Now they are even giving a promo. Buy two, get two free. So if you buy two, you get two free. You and your friends can come together. I posted that stuff earlier today. It's just that we Africans, a lot of us we don't like to read. I posted it earlier today, right? So yeah. So are you with me? Okay, Erico said already in profit in my prop firm. Okay, cool, 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 cool. That's cool. Congratulations, Erico. Personally, let me set my entry now for I'm gonna take the aggressive and the conservative. So um for the aggressive, right? You you're gonna do this thing. Your entry is at 87,000, 87,819. So please, we're almost at the entry right now. 87,819. I'm setting mine. You can set yours too, because it's coming down to entry. 87,819, and leverage is 10x leverage. Okay, 10x leverage, and wait, I'm distracted because I'm trying to put my own. So 87,819. Left Jesus, medicine no go pump. Leverage is 10x leverage. Then stop loss is at 85,142. Take profit is at the same take profit, 91,890. Let me set my own entry now. Jesus, may this thing no go leave us. So, hey, if you leave us, I go cry. You. So, did anybody get the? Did anybody get the update? Sharp. This guy don't write them already. 85,000. Yeah. Erico. I'm on a day active. Oh. Yeah. So this is for aggressive. Thank you, Diamond. So yeah, these are two signals for BTC. Both of them are good signals. The only thing is that for the conservative, I used my Fibonacci. So in case of all those sharp volatility, those sniper entering, Fibonacci normally pick it. But the both of them are very, very, very wonderful trades. They're wonderful setup, and this is double bottom pattern and break of structure is happening. Double bottom pattern is happening. Support and resistance. That's what we're also trading. You know, and this tend to play out 90% of the time. So hopefully this time is going to be among them. It almost happened yesterday, deceived a lot of people, but we will won the short. Now let us try the longs, okay? So I'm telling people, I don't know. I told them I'm no longer bearish, because you know some people those who want to drag me, but if they drag me, I go drag them back. if they if they cause like one boy told me that I'm fat, I tell him saying Papa they fat. Anybody will drag me, I go drag them back. I go cause him Papa join. So yeah. So did you get the two signals? Which of them are you gonna take? Are you gonna take the conservative or the aggressive? Conservative or aggressive? Which of them are you gonna do? Conservative or aggressive? Which of them will you take? Ah, well, I know say some of them are stubborn. Some of them will go take. Some of them will go take aggressive. Okay, somebody said I prefer the conservative. Somebody said Posse said conservative is fine by him. Okay, good. I heard the stubborn person don't come. Ebby. Ebby say he will take the boat. Hey God, though. You know, easy. Aggressive. Me say I took aggressive, but I'll still place for conservative. Me say I know the hear word. But then I am managing my margin, please. I am managing my margin, okay? I am managing my margin. So please manage your margin. If you wanted to use a total of $1,000 for this trade, you can decide to put $500 for conservative, $500 for aggressive. It's better. Don't go and put 2,000 when you wanted to put 1,000. You hear me? Okay. Then there's something I posted yesterday. Bybit is giving out $10 to 20 people, right? Even if it's $1, use the $1 and open an option. Go to options on Bybit, open and close an option trade. When you open and close that option trade, you send me your UID. Okay, when you send your UID, I submit it. My manager is going to send you a $10. But that is strictly for those that are under Dream Chasers community on Bybit. Strictly for those. So even if you do it and send and you're not under, the system is going to detect. They're not. My manager is not going to send it to you. Okay. Then PropFirm is a smart thing to use in scaling up. So scale up with PropFirm. I put out a video on how to sign up on a crypto PropFirm, PropW. So get it. Right now they are doing a promo. The 30% discount ended. Some of you got in on the 30% discount. Congratulations if you did. For those of you that didn't get in on the 30% discount, you can buy two accounts and they're going to get two free. Okay, buy two accounts, you get two free. Check our Telegram community, you're going to see it. If you lack clarity on how to go about it, just text me directly. Okay, reach out to me on anywhere, wherever you're streaming from, whether YouTube. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube and make sure you turn on post notifications, and also join our Telegram community. Okay, And by God's grace, next year we are going to start a proper channel. So for now, Dream Chasers community, our YouTube channel is not yet active. We're going to start a YouTube channel for Dream Chasers community, strictly for Dream Chasers community, and that YouTube channel is going to combine stocks, forex, crypto, indices, economy, synthetic, in fact, basically bonds, securities, basically every financial market. We're going to be covering it. Okay, so get ready for 2026. Personally, I'll just be a guest on the community channel. Okay, I'm going to be running this, but then I'll be a guest there, so make sure you join it. And then I think that's about it. I'm going to put out other stuff on the community, but for now we're going to call it a day here. So please, if you have any question, please, you can feel free to type the question. If you have anything to comment, you can feel free to type it now. Let's use 5 minutes to do that. Okay, so let's get active. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So if you have any question, anything at all, just ask me now. Speak now or forever remain silent. We have two entries. Do you know that trade never wait? Oh, okay, it's almost peaking. Ha, made this trade peak. Oh, we are just few hundreds of dollars away from it peaking. How do I join the Dream Chase on Bybit? Okay, send me a DM on Telegram or Twitter or WhatsApp. Anywhere you have me on, send me a DM on there. I'm just going to send you something and you can get yourself on it. Then Yusuf Sultan said, "Sir, you talk like a prophet on the crypto space." Yes, now I'm a prophet now. Ayokami say, "Where can we short SOL from?" We're not shorting SOL. I am bullish. But if you want to short SOL, you can go ahead. But we're not shorting SOL. I am bullish now. That SOL signal is invalidated. Structure has been broken on BTC, and that structure is going to affect that particular SOL trade. Okay, so it is invalidated. You know what invalidation means? It is no longer active. Okay, then Yusuf said, "I'll change your name to Crypto Prophet." Ah, receive. Yes, that. Have you not joined us updates when I'm saying, I'm not in the spirit, I'm not in the spirit, receive. You never did, yeah. May the odds favor us. Amen. Amen. Thank you so much, Abby. We must always win. We must always win. Oh my word, Marvin BN on Twitch. Are you serious? I'm not having people join on Twitch. It's like I'll start taking this Twitch seriously. Katefe has made Twitch popular. So I'm gonna start. Katefe has made, oh, it has triggered. Our trade has triggered. Shut down. Oh yeah, now. So the conservative has, no, aggressive has triggered. Okay, me, I'm on the aggressive. Okay, Prop W is doing 9,000 accounts for $9, but must be passed in within 30 days. That's a lot of pressure, but if you can be able to do it, why not? Go ahead and do it. Buy the Prop W, and I just saw the promo is over. Yes, that particular 30% promo that they gave me to give out to you all is over, but you can do this thing. You can you can there's another promo going on. They normally give me a lot of promo to give to my community, so another one is going on. Buy two get two free. So if you buy two Prop W, you're going to get two free. So you can have up to 5 Prop W accounts on one on like on your phone. So okay, Marvin said, "Now you make me join Twitch." Mado. Ah, nice one. Thank you. If I make I video this one, chakam, make I get evidence. So okay, cool. Then uh guy is saying Japan. What about the Japan hike? The Japan hike has nothing to do with this chart here. The Japan hike has nothing to do with this chart. We are going to pump. That is just basically what it is, okay? we are going to pump. So Japan hike has nothing to do with this. Okay. Then, when I say technical, everything is on the chart. In fact, I've told you guys the history of candlestick. Candlesticks was invented by a Japanese that wanted to study how the prices of rice is being affected by the emotions of traders. That is why we have green and red candles. So this candlestick has spoken to me. Say me, I see things. It has spoken to me that we are going to pump. We're going to pump. Meanwhile, our aggressive trade is in profits. Congratulations. Clap for yourself. We're in profit. I need to open church. I'll go find land for this place where I do buy. We'll go open church. Or if I close my eyes, say, I am seeing Bitcoin pump. Buy. Everybody go buy. Then that why small. If if pastor puts microphone, he go do the speaker goes down, pressure everywhere. So I go they do all those kind of magic. I don't learn them. So how do I reach out to you one on one, please? You can reach out to me on Telegram now. Chat to me on Telegram or Twitter DM. You can send me a message on Twitter. Okay, so I think we're gonna do just this BTC. Let us see how BTC is gonna go. Then it is what it is. So good luck. And this was a very nice session. This is 41 minutes. I am not in a very comfortable place now, so I'm going to end this. Maybe tomorrow morning. Okay, tomorrow morning we're going to take this trade. Um, okay, Ovelu. Tomorrow morning, we're going to do another live stream. Okay, Ovelu said entry should be at 87,000. Is that a comment or an advice? Which of them are you trying to do? And are you just joining? Meanwhile, please, if I'm doing analysis, don't advise me, okay? Don't advise me. Don't advise me. I have done so many magic here, and I don't know you. I don't know the things I've done, but you know me, and you know the things I've done. This is not being rude or being arrogant. This is just a man with results speaking. I have done many magic, so don't advise me. Just watch, and if you don't like it, you can still leave here. But don't advise me. I don't like when people advising me about something that I have been doing magic on. They see the magic. So, anyways, thank you so much for joining, and bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Take care.